I hope you guys are having a blessed day. My name is Janette Mata. For the ones that don't know me and haven't subscribed to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. I will be making English videos every single week on this channel, as well as Spanish videos if you want to practice your Spanish, or you just want to learn some Spanish. This video, just before we transition into fall and start showing you about fall trends and fall outfits and all of that stuff, I wanted to show you all my favorite summer outfits. My beauties, and I will be starting with this video by showing you guys this beautiful, simple romper. I used it so much this summer. I feel like it could just be combined with so many things. You could put like a denim jacket over it. You could dress it up, just sandals. Like, you could do so much. It is from Shein or Shein online store that honestly I was obsessed with this summer. I ordered so many things from that website. Second thing that I was obsessed with this summer was definitely jeans, denim stuff. Okay, so I had from a skirt, I'm wearing my denim jacket, or this overalls that you guys are gonna see here. These I was obsessed with. It was just so comfortable to wear. I could just combine it with something cute under, just a white shirt or another type of t-shirt. And something that I do want to mention is that this summer I was definitely leaning more towards being comfortable and cute rather than being like with the trend and like maybe not as comfortable. The next thing is also this beautiful shirt. It's like super simple but super cute. I really enjoy the way that just falls on you. It's really thin, especially if in your city it's very hot. It's white. I thought it was gonna be more see-through, but it's not. It does have like a second layer at the top just because it does come down from the shoulders, so I also love that. Next up is this skirt right here. I was also obsessed, not just because it was denim, but two big reasons. One of them was because it's high-waisted, and I love actually wearing crop tops, but sometimes I do feel they're a little bit too short. So me just wearing like a regular pants and like regular shorts, like it was showing too much stomach for what I felt comfortable with. So having a high-waisted skirt made me feel like much better and still cute, and it wasn't too short. Also, something that I seem to be leaning more towards this summer was just simple shirts that said a phrase, that had a cute picture, or like, just simple shirts. And this one right here, I found it also at Shein, and it was amazing. I have worn it so many times. You guys probably don't know because I don't post all the pictures, because we're like, this girl does not have any more clothes. But I do, but I really love this one. I really felt comfortable. And the last thing I do want to mention is this summer, like I was telling you guys, I wasn't leaning towards like the trendy and cute stuff. I was leaning towards the cute stuff, but stuff that I also feel comfortable with. And I love dresses. I'm not gonna lie, I do love dresses, but I didn't seem to go towards wearing dresses a lot this summer. It was more towards wearing rompers this summer. So even if it was like a wedding or something, I try to look for like a very formal and nice romper to wear, just like a jumpsuit or whatever, like just something that I will feel very comfortable with. So I did get my hands on a few, but this one that I'm gonna show you guys right now, I bought it at Walmart. It was super comfortable. I love the detail that it had like by the boobs. I don't know, I just felt like it felt so comfortable. It looked nice, so it just had everything. And also, just before we transition into like fall trends and showing you guys fall outfits, I really want to talk to you guys about the sales that are going on, at the end of summer, at the end of fall, that always go on at the end of winter, because it is very important that you guys know how to buy, what tips to consider when going to the sale rack, because it could be very overwhelming. So I will be telling you guys more about this topic in my next video. And also turn on the notification just in case my video does get published but you're not able to see the by turning on the notification bell, you'll be able to see when I upload new videos. And well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, follow me on social media, and see you guys till next time. Bye.